Alright, so hey everyone. So in this video, I would like to give you like a quick demonstration on like how the assignment 2 looks like, and also like some of the new feature that you will implement for this assignment. Okay, I will create more video that actually talk in more detail on like some specific feature. Yeah, but with this video, this should give you like a big picture, okay, on like how the assignment 2 is supposed to be. All right, so first let's see like on like how we execute the program. Okay, so first, so we have like the executable. So this is called traffic. So it's just ./traffic. Okay, but now for the command line argument, so it's not the to number anymore, like in the first assignment. So now you will pass the text file. Okay, so so this is like the name of the text file that will contain like all the necessary information to initialize the game itself. Okay, so I will create another video that talk about this in more detail, including like the content of the text file, and then after that you can basically create your own text file as well. Okay, yeah, but anyway, so let's just run the program. Okay, so now basically this is like how the visual interface looks like. So as you can see, that is still very similar to assignment 1. Okay, but there like maybe something that looks very different now. Okay, so now you see now the position of the player and the goal, and including like the design of the path are totally different now. Like, so in the first assignment, the player is usually on the top left and the goal is usually at the bottom left, right? But for this assignment, for assignment 2, so now the position of the player and the goal, like basically can be anywhere, okay, depending on the content of the text file. And second, also like for the part of the car, so as you can see, now it has like some arbitrary shape. Okay, so it's not just left and right, but it actually can go to 4 directions. So it can go left, can go right, up or down. Okay, and basically what will happen is this car will always follow the path. So it will just keep going forward, following the path. Okay, if there is no more path going forward, then it will try to go to the right first if there is one. If not, then it will go to the left. Okay, yeah, but the assumption that okay, this part will always like form like a cycle, so basically it will just keep following the path. Okay, and later on I will also show you on like how to use this new feature called the undo feature. Okay, but I think first let me quickly show you on like how the movement of the car looks like. Okay, so but to do this I need to move the player a lot. So basically what I will do, so okay, so I just move the player randomly, and as you can see, the car is following the path, like it is following this, like this dot path. Okay, and it will just keep doing this basically forever. So until either you win the game. So you win the game by basically touching the goal over here, or you lose the game if the player actually hit the player. Yes, I mean the player hit the car. Okay, and that's how you lose the game. Okay, so let's say I move down here. Okay, and this is like how you lose the game. All right, so this is basically for the movement of the car, and also like say how the traffic works. Okay, so once again, I will talk in another video. I will talk more detail about like basically how to, obviously some advice on how to achieve this, and also like some of the new character that you will use if it is moving up or down. So you might notice that the color of the car in this demonstration is a little bit different. It's actually the yellow color. Okay, actually the yellow color is not part of the assignment. Okay, once again, the coloring of the car, the yellow color, is not part of the assignment. So when you do this assignment, so you can just leave it as the default color. Okay, so in this example, so the default color will be the white color for the car. Okay, so the reason I just use slightly different color is just simply to emphasize like the location of the car itself. Okay, but once again, the coloring is not part of the assignment. All right, so that's okay. I think that's kind of like the big picture on like how the movement and the control looks like for the second assignment. The last thing that I want to talk about is the undo feature. Okay, so this is like the last feature for us, the last new feature for this traffic game. So basically, this lowercase u, it will allow me to undo or basically go back one step before. So it means like I will go to the most recent position of the player and the car. Okay, so this basically what the undo does. Okay, I think maybe to demonstrate this, let me just end the game first. And let me do it one more time. Okay, so let's say let's say I will move the car along along the side of the path. So let's say I do like a down like this, and then say right. Yeah, so once again, as I move the player, so now the car also move as well. Okay, so let's say we go until here. Okay, and then you might feel like okay, let me undo the position. Yeah, so if I press U again and again, so it will always go to the most recent position in the right order. Okay, so basically it will remember the order like where the player has moved. Yeah, and also the car as well. Okay, now I can like maybe let's say now I go to the right, maybe up here, and then right again, and then down, and then I can undo. So I can undo here. Okay, then maybe now I decide to go to the left, and then I can undo again. Okay, so I can keep undoing until basically until I reach the very beginning of the game. So like when I just started the game. Okay, if I press U again here, so right now I'm pressing U. Okay, nothing happened here because there's nothing more to undo. I'm already reached the very beginning of the game. Okay, so that's basically the flexibility of the undo feature. So means I can go to anywhere, and basically I just keep undoing. Yeah, but if I already reached the goal, or if I already, let's say, maybe hit the car, okay, then basically you cannot undo anymore because your program already ends. Okay, so the undo only works when you are still playing the game. Okay, but the moment the program ends, either because you win the game or lose the game, then okay, there's nothing to undo anymore because you already end the program. All right, so there will be another video that talk about this undo feature and including like some of the possible algorithm to do this. Definitely you will need to use linked list to do this. Okay, so I will talk in more detail about this particular feature in another video. All right, so just to summarize quickly, so basically for this second assignment, I would say there are like 3 new features here. The first one is the file IO. So now you will read some data from the text file. Okay, so there will be another video. And then the second one is now the car is not just moving left and right, okay, repeatedly, but now it will basically follow this path here. Okay, so whatever the path that is created at the beginning when you read from the text file, so now the car has to follow that. Okay, so that will be like the second feature. The third feature is like how to undo. Okay, so how to use like this undo feature to basically go back to the most recent location of the players and the goals. Okay, that will be the third feature. Okay, so for each of these features, I will create another video that talk about each of them in more detail. Alright, so I hope that this video is helpful to get the big picture of the assignment. In that case, then I will see you in the next video.